Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for clicking on my video today. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Before we get started, a quick intro. My name is Araseli and my main purpose and vision for my channel is to share with you my techniques and ideas for gaining financial freedom and being debt free by simply learning how to spend and save money with the purpose and goals in mind. But before we get started, I have some happy mail today. A big shout out to Sweet Kiki. She was doing a giveaway a couple of weeks ago for reaching her 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Congratulations, Kiki, such a great accomplishment. So I was a lucky winner and won a binder with envelopes along with some other goodies. So let's go ahead and open up my happy mail. And this was actually perfect timing as I was planning on creating some new envelopes for my saving challenges. So let's take a look. Oh, wow. So we have, oh, love the binder. This color blue is perfect. Love it. And then you see here that it comes with labels also. Nice, nice. I'm so ready to put this binder to work here. And then, now I'm excited to see the plant charm here. Oh, wow. Kiki, please let Tina know she definitely has a talent. The personal touch on the charm is amazing. Let's go ahead and open this up. Thank you. Oh, no, thank you, Kiki, for doing this. Here. Let's see here. Aw, can you guys see that? How amazing that looks. Oh, not one, but two. Love it. Oh, I forgot that saving challenges were included also, and along with some money placeholders. This, it was so meant to be, as this video is dedicated to saving challenges. Perfect. Thank you. And then what do we have here? Go ahead and open it up here. Oh boy. Oh. With a thankful heart. Oh. Oh yes, Amazon gift card. We'll definitely be using it for sure. Congratulations. Aww. I want to thank you for supporting my channel and following me on my budgeting journey. I hope you enjoy your prizes. Love, Sweet Kiki. Aww. Thank you once again, Kiki. Love, love everything. I'm going to leave Kiki's information in the description box, so please go check out her channel and support her. So I'm going to put these items aside here, as we'll definitely be using this binder for my saving challenges. So back to today's video, I will be discussing saving challenges, the what, the why, which saving challenges work the best, and do they actually help save money? Now, when I first restarted my budgeting journey at the end of last year, I noticed other individuals were using saving challenges to help them save. At first, I didn't really think much of it, but later I decided to give it a try and see how saving challenges could help me out on my journey. I quickly realized I was missing the bigger picture. It's not all about the dollar amount saved. Saving challenges can and do help provide extra motivation to change your spending habits and make saving more fun by being consistent. So what are the best saving challenges for anyone who's starting their journey? I would definitely start off with saving challenges that are realistic to your budget and start off with small amounts first. Some challenges I would recommend when first starting are the penny challenge, which actually saves you $667.95 at the end of the year, or the $1 a week challenge. It saves you $52 at the end of the year, or even the $5 a week challenge. It saves you $260 at the end of the year. But with any challenge, that you choose, just make them achievable. You don't want to set up yourself for failure. The overall goal should be to learn the process and see how much money you can save by being consistent and motivated. And also, I always recommend to personalize your saving challenges to your household needs. Ask yourself, is this challenge going to make a difference in my life? And finally, do saving challenges help save money? Yes, 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 as long as you keep a few items in mind, such as be flexible. What I mean by this is don't set a time frame and don't get discouraged if you're not able to contribute money each month towards saving challenges. Life happens, and there will be times when you won't be able to add or where you simply have to use the money in the saving challenges. And that's okay. Just simply start over and move on. And also, mindset. Number one reason I hear for not completing a saving challenge is something came up and I had to use the money, so I quit. Instead, think about it this way. You're actually saving up for that unexpected expense and are simply restarting your challenge again. And here's an easy saving tip that I've learned along the way. Let's take the 100 envelope challenge, for example. You have completed the first 1 through 30 envelopes, but you don't believe that you're going to complete the rest of the envelopes because you won't be able to save for the high dollar envelopes. Positive mindset. With the first 30 envelopes, you have saved a total of $465. So think about it this way. You have actually completed envelope 100, envelope 99, envelope 98, envelope 97, and envelope 71, which equals the $465 you have currently saved. So now you simply just restuff the first 30 envelopes again and keep moving forward. So I currently have 3 saving challenges that I'm saving up for this year. Let me go ahead and show them. Many of you are probably familiar with the 1 month ahead challenge. For this challenge, I am saving a month's worth of bills and debt, which total $1,580 for me. That will be my goal for this challenge. So I will be saving approximately $60 from each paycheck. Next is save the date. For this challenge, I am saving the date of every paycheck. So I will be adding the number for the month and the day. For example, the date of my first paycheck was January 6th. So I would add the 1 and the 6, saving $7 for that paycheck. And then my goal at the end of the year will be $576 for this challenge. And then last savings challenge is spend less, save more. For this savings challenge, I will determine the number based off the amount I save in coupons each week. For example, if I use $5 worth of coupons, then that's the amount I will save in this challenge. I don't have a goal in mind, but I'm excited to see how much it will add up at the end of the year. This challenge is to help encourage me to find ways to save wherever possible. But today I have a new challenge I will be adding into my journey here. This challenge is Shut the Box. This challenge was created by Reinventing Renee. But Liz, with Liz and Les, is who sent me this challenge. So thank you, Liz. This is my first time playing. However, the goal will look different for me. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's the challenge. And all you really need are a couple of dice here and some markers. The overall goal is to roll all the numbers in each row here in order to shut the box. However, if at any time you roll a number that has already been rolled or the numbers left cannot be combined, game over. Hopefully I am explaining everything correctly. However, I have decided I need some extra motivation to improve my health. So I'm going to use Renee's Shut the Box, and whatever number I am left with will be the number I will be adding in when I go on my walks every day. For example, if I end up with the number 10, then I will be adding an extra 10 minutes to my walk each day. So for today, I'm going to roll 2 rows, 1 for each week. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started here. Let's roll here. So let's see, that's a 1 and then a 2 makes 3. Let's decide. I'll probably use this darker blue here to color in which ones have been rolled. And please forgive my coloring. Oop. We have a 12 So let's go ahead and get rid of the 9. And then I'm going to have to, I already used the 3, so the 2 and the 1. Is that allowed? 3 numbers? Yes, it is. Numeral. Let's see here. A 6 and a 4 is 10. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have a 4 and a 6. Oh boy. Let's see if we can get a 5, 7, or 8 here. And we got a 7. Okay. What is next? An 8 and a 5. And it's a 6. Game over. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and color in the numbers that are left. Ooh, probably should have. Hopefully those don't blend in together. So, next row. So for this, actually, let me, 5 and an 8, 13. So for this row here, 13 already. Okay, row number 2. 5 and a 4 is a 9. Okay, get rid of the big number here. Let me know for the individuals who have been playing, is there really a strategy, or I'm just, it's really just whatever your gut tells you. 6 and a 3 is 9 again. Oh boy. Let's get rid of the 8 and the 1. Next. Oh, 9, a 6 and a 3. Okay, 7 and 2. 9 is really showing up here too many times. Good thing I can actually have 9s. Well, if I roll 9 a couple more times, I would be able to shut the box. So here we go, 9 again. 3 and a 2 is a 5. Okay. And a 6, 5 and a 1 is a 6. So we have the 3 and a 4. Can we roll a lucky number 7 here? Oh, so close. Nope. A 6 and a 2 is an 8. Game over. That was awesome. Thank you, Reinventing Renee. This is a fun game. So this row number 2 is a 7, 7 and 13. So I have to walk an extra 20 minutes every day that I go on my walks. So there you go. I would encourage, and I do recommend Shut the Box. So go ahead and visit Reinventing Renee's channel and get yourself a copy. So I'm going to end my video here. Hopefully I've given someone hope and ideas how to start saving money. Every bit counts and adds up quickly. Until next time, remember to go out there and make a difference in someone's world, just like Sweet Kiki made a difference in mine. And please share this video with everyone you know. You never know who may need to hear this message, and encourage them to save more. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and click on that subscribe button and that notification bell for future videos, as it will greatly help my channel tremendously. Thanks everyone. Bye.